So I'm here watching the World Championships in London, and my mind flashed back to the recent Under-18 Championships in Kenya, when the top Western nations like USA, Canada, and England boycotted the event, citing security concerns and God knows what. The Junior Games keep incident-free and accident-free. And we remember again, the lead up to the Rio Olympics in 2016, one big hullabaloo about security and safety and health and Zika virus and Ray and there. There were even calls to move the Olympics from Rio to an alternative venue because Rio was too violent and too dangerous and Zika was blah, blah, blah. Olympics keep a Rio incident-free and accident-free. Now come to London now. Months and weeks leading into these ongoing championships, there were multiple terrorist incidents, stabbings and shootings and even bombings. And I know we don't hear nothing about a boycott or withdrawals from any of these big Western nations. World Championships are won. Everybody bungle up a London. And as we speak, meet organizers and IAAF officials are scrambling to keep a lid on what is now looking like a potential gastroenteritis outbreak in the athletes' village and the wider London community. But again, it's all hush hush. No talk of boycotts or withdrawals or even basic concerns about safety and health and security. London is still the place to be. Hey, we're going to do something. Please, Google the words double standard and hypocrisy. Google it. DOUBLESTANDARD and HYPOCRISY. Double standard and hypocrisy. Google it. GOO.